Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, and here's yesterday's problem of the day. 10, 20, 40, 80, 160 was the sequence. I asked you what the multiplier was. Most of you answered correctly. The answer was 2. Just a couple little bit of notes to remember if you don't remember how to find that multiplier. Obviously, that was an easy one, but you could take the number in front, 20, divided by the number behind it. 20 divided by 10 gives you 2. 40 divided by 20 gives you 2. You could test it out and make sure that it works. Second part of today's notes, finding the equation y equals abx, which is the exponential form of a standard equation. We have a as the start value, b as the multiplier, and for the problem above here, if we were to put that in y equals abx form, 5 would be the 0 term. Go backwards one, b 2 multiplier, and it would be y equals 5, parentheses 2, my multiplier to the x power, knowing that x and y are points on the line or values in our table or our situation. Hope everybody's doing well. Keep on keeping on. Thursday, everything will be due. Good luck, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.